Have you ever wondered about the strange monolith discovered on Phobos, one of Mars' moons? It's a fascinating mystery that's had scientists and space enthusiasts scratching their heads for decades. Picture this: a peculiar rectangular object, standing about 90 meters tall, casting an eerie shadow on the Martian moon's surface. Now, let's talk about why some people believe this isn't just another space rock. First off, its shape is unusually geometric. We're talking about clean lines and angles that seem almost too perfect to be natural. And its size? Well, it's roughly the size of a football field standing on end. That's not your typical space debris. But here's where things get really interesting. Buzz Aldrin, the second human to walk on the moon, brought this mysterious object into the spotlight back in 2009. During an interview, he specifically mentioned the monolith on Phobos, suggesting that the universe is trying to send us a message. Coming from someone who's actually been in space and seen Earth from the moon, his words carry some serious weight. The plot thickens when we look at NASA's handling of this discovery. Over the years, they've given various explanations, from calling it a trick of light and shadow to dismissing it as a natural geological formation. But some researchers and conspiracy theorists argue that these explanations don't quite add up. They point out how NASA has seemingly changed their story multiple times and question why high-resolution images of the monolith are surprisingly scarce. What's particularly intriguing is the monolith's location. Phobos itself is already a mysterious moon. It orbits Mars at an impossibly low altitude, and some scientists have suggested it might be hollow, based on its density calculations. Finding such a geometric structure on an already mysterious celestial body, that's like finding a perfectly square stone in the middle of a desert. Here's something to think about. If this structure is artificial, it would be one of the most significant discoveries in human history. Yet, the relative silence from official sources about detailed investigations is, well, curious to say the least. Some suggest this could be evidence of an ancient civilization, while others propose it might be a signpost of sorts, left by visitors to our solar system. Are we looking at natural geological processes that just happen to create something so geometric? Or is this structure evidence of something more profound? Perhaps a calling card from an intelligence beyond Earth? While we may not have all the answers yet, one thing's for certain: the Phobos monolith continues to be one of space exploration's most captivating mysteries.